Hey guys, Matt Baker, Legendary Realty. Welcome to my newest listing in West Mobile, 2100 Woodford Court. And man, is this kitchen not amazing? Whole house looks just like this, and I can't wait for you to take a look. Hey guys, right off the dining area is this beautiful living room. It's got cased out crown molding everywhere, recessed lighting. One of my favorite features, hand-scraped hardwood floors that look amazing, and this painted fireplace with the gas logs. Beautiful. Wonderful place to spend a Friday night enjoying a game or a movie. All right guys, off the living room is this beautiful master bedroom suite. Neutral gray walls, crown molding, cased out windows. Every detail's been thought of in here, and with the recessed lighting, it feels so warm and comfortable. I could sit in here for hours and just read a magazine or a book. Master closet, it's got tons of built-in shelving, wonderful space. Now let's take a look at the master bath. A great place to either start or finish the day. Hey guys, thanks for touring 2100 Woodford Court. Great house for a growing family. It looks amazing, tons of space everywhere. Can't wait for you to check it out. In the Inverness subdivision, we got great amenities to enjoy all summer long, and the location is awesome. Can't wait to see you at the next open house.